Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a stress relieving clean with me. Lately I've been into listening to stress relieving music while I'm cleaning. So this all started because one night a couple of weeks ago I was mentally spent and I just wanted to relax, but my kitchen was a mess. So I got the kids to bed and decided to turn on some relaxing music while I cleaned. And it was honestly so therapeutic and enjoyable. I was able to unwind and get the kitchen cleaned at the same time. So that is where my inspiration for this video came from. I figured since I was enjoying it so much that you guys would enjoy some quiet relaxing music in case you wanted to just unwind and relieve some stress while you're cleaning. I won't be talking too much in this video because I want you guys to be able to enjoy the music and just relax and unwind and clean with me. So I'll just pop in every once in a while to say something. If you like videos like this, I do a ton of cleaning videos and mommy videos, pretty much anything that has to do with raising your family and taking care of your house. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you guys as part of my YouTube family. My little man had his birthday party the night before I filmed this video, so our sink is full of juice boxes and soda cans and plates and pizza plates and all sorts of stuff like that. So that is what I am cleaning up right now. Needless to say, I didn't really have a good sleep last night because it was a sleepover, so there were 5 additional boys sleeping over in addition to my 4 boys, so that was quite interesting. Here I am just cleaning out the caramel corn that I made in this roasting pan. It is quite sticky, so I gotta scrub that really well to get all of the sticky caramel corn off the pan. carpets are looking a little bit sticky, so I'm just going to give them a quick wipe down, remove any food residue or splatter that has been left behind on my cabinets. Now I'm going to be using one of my favorite countertop sprays. It is the Caldrea Sea Salt Neroli, and it smells so amazing. I got that from the Grove Collaborative. If you use the link in my description box to the Grove Collaborative, you will get some free product with a $20 purchase. Now I got a little disruption from my relaxing cleaning groove here. My hubby called, which I don't mind, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just chatting with him while I'm wiping down the kitchen counters. Another thing you can do to relax while cleaning is make yourself a cup of tea. I'm just reheating mine here because it got cold. Alright, now this microwave is seriously shameful. I didn't even know if I wanted to put this in the video. One of the things that I noticed is that when the microwave is down low like that in the island, I sometimes don't notice how messy it gets because I don't really look at it. I just kind of pop my food in there and turn it on. But when I went to reheat my tea there, I was like, oh my gosh, okay, that is nasty and it needs to be cleaned. So it is not always that messy and dirty in there, so that's, yeah, seriously embarrassing, but that's okay. I'm cleaning it out now and it's going to be shiny and clean again. Another thing that I like to do to relax is to diffuse my favorite essential oils. I think it's about time for me to move the kitchen table. I'm noticing a lot of crumbs under there, and usually I just like to try to get the vacuum head in between the chairs and whatnot, but occasionally I'll have to move it over just so I can make sure I get everything right cleaned up under there. I just noticed some splashed chocolate milk or something like that on these chairs, so that is why I'm cleaning these couple of chairs here. One of the kids must have spilled something. Alrighty guys, so that is it for my stress relieving cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope if any of you decided to clean along with me, you were able to unwind and relieve some stresses while you guys were cleaning. Now if you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. We'll see you guys next time. Take care and bye for now.